Hello guys, Jajan Go channel here. Are we gonna try now? This is mee ayam or chicken noodle. I choose mee ayam bakso this time. You can easily find it here in Indonesia. There are many stalls selling this food. First, let's add chili sauce and sweet soy sauce. Then you can add some sambal if you like spicy. And then add some pepper. Adjust it depends on your preference. Do you like it too?
Wow!
Then mix the noodle and seasoning evenly. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment ya. Thank you for watching and see you. Bye bye.